This huge vehicle in front that is moving is the world's largest mining truck, model Liebherr T284, manufactured in Germany. The body is 15.7 meters long, 8.3 meters wide, 9.6 meters high. The tire height reaches the amazing 4 meters. Sitting in the cab and looking out, it's like standing on the roof of a 3-story building. It's a beastly machine. Empty weight 273 tons. Maximum load 363 tons. Total loaded weight 600 tons. In the largest mining truck series, it has the lightest empty weight and maximum rated load. Although the size of this behemoth is very large, driving it feels very easy. The cab is located in the upper left of the body. The interior layout is not much different from a normal truck. Experienced drivers with a license can basically drive it after training. The delivery method for this truck is to disassemble it at the place of origin and reassemble it at the destination. That is, when the parts of the mining truck arrive at the customer's mine. In order to drive this behemoth, it needs 1,984 liters of brake fluid, 2,816 liters of hydraulic oil for unloading bucket, 721 liters of coolant, 295 liters of engine lubricating oil. The fuel tank reaches 5,351 liters, equivalent to 2 years' worth for a normal car. The T284's power comes from a 20-cylinder Cummins engine, with maximum horsepower of 4,000. When fully loaded in the mining area, this truck can reach 64 kilometers per hour. The high-power engine and lightweight design give this truck optimal hill climbing ability. With a high-altitude kit added, it can operate at an altitude of 4,500 meters in the mountains. It's a good helper to get rich. The base price starts at 23 million USD. For friends with mines at home, consider getting one to drive around.